Hello, Kasim. I am Tuba.
Where are you from, Tuba?
I am from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from Spain.
How long have you been here?
I'm here for 2 years. Do you like this place?
Yes, I like it very much.
Would you say something about this place?
Yes, why not? The people are very friendly.
Why did you come here?
I got a new job here.
When will you be joining?
I will start next week.
What type of job do you have?
I would be working in a hospital.
What designation do you have?
I am a nurse.
That is great. Do you live near here?
Yes. My apartment is in front of the medical center. Is it a nice area to live in?
Yes, here are parks and supermarkets.
Can you recommend a good coffee shop?
Yes, try Ashi Coffee on Main Street.
Thank you, Kasim.
You are welcome.
What is your job?
I am a teacher here.
What do you teach, Kasim?
Math and science.
How long are you teaching here?
The 3rd year has started.
Why did you choose teaching?
I like helping students.
Is it easy or too hard?
Yes, it's a little hard, but I like it.
How many hours are you spending daily?
Morning, 8 to 4 at school.
How do you go to school?
I have to go in my car.
Is there any heavy traffic on the road?
Yes, but not always in you.
I have no car and use RTA for traveling.
Are you feeling confident in buses?
Yes, I feel safe and enjoy.
How much ticket cost for travel to the market?
Only 3 AED for one side.
At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 7.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, my phone alarm.
What do you like for breakfast?
I like Costa coffee. And you?
I like orange juice for breakfast.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 3 siblings.
What's your next plan?
I want to be a doctor.
If you don't mind, let's have coffee?